What is the most unusual way you have used a spreadsheet? What have you done that someone wouldn't think about using a spreadsheet for? I'm in the process of starting a print-on-demand shop. If you don't know what print-on-demand means, you use a website, a vendor, to generate products that you design, and they are only created when someone actually makes a purchase. And don't mind me, I'm making some coffee because I didn't sleep much last night. My mind was just going 1,000 miles an hour and my puppy wasn't having a good night. So hang in there with me. As part of the print-on-demand business, you have to have designs, you have to have ideas. My husband said, hey, I can help you with that. I said, okay, give me your ideas. And he said, where do you want them? Now, a normal person would say, write them down for me, put them on a notepad, or I don't know, send me an email. I'm not normal. Instead, I asked him to put in a spreadsheet. I created a shared Google Sheet spreadsheet that I shared with him and his brother. His brother also said he had some ideas for me. And there are multiple columns on the spreadsheet. It's not just what's the idea, it's what's the idea, what's the theme, what is that you think I can use on it. For example, if it's a t-shirt, what should the design on the t-shirt be based on the theme for the t-shirt? That kind of stuff. And no, the print-on-demand business is not going to have anything to do with spreadsheets, but I'm going to use the heck out of spreadsheets in the ways that I know how to. For example, how to figure out how much money I should be charging for the product so I'm actually making profit after all of the expenses have been taken out. If you're curious about my print-on-demand business, stay tuned. Make sure you follow me. I will mention this in here moving forward because this is what's going on right now. And tell me, what's the most unusual way you have used a spreadsheet for?